Hello everyone, this is Sresh from SkyMom, and today I am going to explain you about pin, unpin, offset and scale. Okay. So very first thing, let us take pin and unpin. Okay, so pin and unpin is nothing but it is used to lock a wall. Okay, so like here what I am going to do is I will select this and I will pin it here. Okay, if I pin it, now you can see if I am trying to rotate this particular pinned object, okay, it won't get rotated. Okay, so what it is saying here, cannot rotate the pinned element. Okay, so same way again if I will unpin it. Okay, so again I will select this and I will unpin it, in the sense I will unlock it. Okay, so again it will become like a normal object and again I can apply whatever the modifications I need. Okay, so this is all about pin and unpin. So next, after pin and unpin, next here we are having offset. Okay, so offset you already know about it. So offset is used to copy an object, similar object at some particular distance. Okay, so here I'll take a wall. Next I'll go to modify. Here click on offset. So as you all know that we are having two methods to give the offset distance. One is graphical, second one is numerical. So in numerical here what I can do is I can give the offset distance, how much offset distance I need. Like for example I'll give it as 4 feet. Okay, so next just select the previous wall, you will get the offset of the wall over here. Okay, so here you are having the option of copy. If you will uncheck this copy and you can see the same wall is getting replaced over here. If you will check on this, then you will get the source as well as the offsetted object like this. Okay, so now just suppose while giving the offset you have forgot the offset distance what you have given over here, and still one more offset you need to do. Okay, instead of using the measuring tool, measuring it and later again giving the offset, here what I can do is I can just select it, go to offset. Okay, here click on graphical. Okay, so later I'll select the wall which I want to copy, like from where I want to get the offset, and I'll mention the offset distances from here to here like this. It will get offset. Okay, so these are the two methods, that is graphical and numerical method to use offset command. Okay, so next now I'll explain you about scale. So scale is used to scale the measurement of the wall. Like for example you can see I'm having a 10 feet wall over here. So if you want to convert it to a 20 feet wall height. Okay, so here what you can do is you can just select it, you can edit the distance as well by giving the value. You can edit this value and you can make it as 20 feet. But you can see here if I'm trying to do it like this, it is getting extended from both the sides. Here how do I need is my one point should be constant and it should grow from this side, like 10 feet should be added this side. So that time what you can do is you can use scale command here. Okay, so here I'll go to modify. Okay, select the object and click on scale. So next again here you are having graphical as well as numerical over here. So if I click on numerical, here I am going to give the scale factor. Okay, so like for example 10, if I multiply it into 2, like 2 times bigger, so I can give the scale value as 2. Just select the base point, from the opposite side it will get scaled up. Okay, graphical in the sense how you can do is select the wall, click on scale, and if you are selecting graphical method, okay, select the first base point, select the second base point, and you can just scale it up by giving whatever value you need. Like for example if you want to keep it up till 10 feet, you can just keep it up to 10 feet away. Okay, so you can use graphical or numerical method, any one as per your requirement. Okay, so these were all about offset, scale, pin and unpin. So now I'll take one more command, that is align. So what do you mean by align? Okay, align in the sense, so now you can see I'm having two walls over here which are at two different planes. Like this one is at different plane and this one is at different plane. So now what do I need is this wall, it should follow the same plane as it is, as this wall is following. Okay, so means I want to shift my wall to this plane. So what, instead of using move command, here what I can do is directly I can use align over here. Okay, so here what I'll do, I'll go to modify and I'll select align. Select the alignment plane, like for example this plane you want to align it, okay, or else this one, any one you can select it. Select this one and select the plane which should get aligned with that. So you can see the wall is got aligned like this.